please welcome one of my heroes, Andrew Bird.
Overprescribed and under the mister, we had survived to turn on the History Channel and ask our esteemed panel, hey, why are we alive? And here's how they replied. Yo, what happens when two substances collide? And by all accounts, you really should have died. South Platte. You can't stand to look back at 16 tons of hazmat as it goes on deliver, on deliver. Boom, 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 boom. It's a nervous tick motion of the head to the left. It's a nervous tick motion of the what? Of the head to the left. So exercise yourselves to your be-rare. It's a nervous tick motion of the what? Of the head to the left. And it's a nervous tick motion of the head to the left, a nervous tick motion of the substances collide, and by all accounts, you really should should have died.